Hello, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Thank you for watching. It is time for some breakfast. There's a glare. It looks like something is wrong in my pan. Hang on. Because that's nothing, that's a glare. So where is that glare coming from? I don't know. Well, anyway. There's nothing in my pan. It's just a black pan. It's just weird. Anyway, yeah, so we're going to have breakfast this morning. Going to have me some bacon and eggs. I don't know why I have one glove on and not one glove. You know, it's just me. You just never know what you're going to get. So, let's see. This is that bacon that I cut in half the other day. And so I'll do 4 halves, and that'll be like 2 pieces of bacon. Okay. Now. What's that, puppy dog? Alright. So I'm going to get that fried up. Ooh, my belly's itching. Shame it in my hand. That means somebody's coming with some money, don't it? When your hand itches. We used to say, was if your nose itches, somebody's coming with a hole in their britches. That's my new spatula from the Walmart. So funny how bacon shrinks up. Just shrivels up like a little old prune. Alright, I'll come back in a couple minutes. Alright, my bacon's looking good. I'm going to pull it out. I'm also going to have an apple this morning with my breakfast. So, puppy dog in there is getting sassy. Alright, so now I'm going to have 3 eggs with this. So, 1. It's kind of weird. I have to used to, whenever I do put something in, everything would roll to that side of the skillet. So it's kind of hard to get used to things just going right where I drop them. So, alright, I broke one of the eggs, but that's alright. Water. Let me get a little bit of water. Now I'm going to put just a little bit of water in there, and I'm going to cover it. I'll do 2 minutes and I'll get back with you. I have one of those apple slice core things, and I never ever thought I'd be using that again. So that's kind of funny. But I'm having that. When I was a kid, my dad would eat everything on an apple except the stem. And I think, you know, he grew up kind of poor. And yeah, so I would watch, and he'd just start eating an apple, and he'd get down to the end of it, and the last thing he'd have would be a little stem. And yeah. Alright, 40 seconds. Hold on. I took my bacon and broke it apart into little pieces. And I'm going to put my eggs on top of it. I'm going to put a little bit of this, you know, the spicy harissa. Just about a teaspoon down there. Before I add my eggs into it. So, egg. That's the one that was broken a while ago. There's one. And there's one. I like getting all that extra stuff that's left behind. So, I'm going to go on and add this all to it. It's just what I'm feeling this morning. You know I typically don't add that extra grease. But it's what I'm feeling, so it's what I'm doing. So, man, come out nice. Just had to scrape it a tiny bit. Now I got to wash it, of course, but look at that. Look how pretty that looks. Let's get back to my food. Hold on. So now, I'm going to break it up. Oh, that's a perfect medium egg by George. Oh, man, if I could show you, but I didn't, so. And there's harissa sauce all over it, so you won't be able to tell what's what anyway. Whoop. Somebody's going to get happy when they find that little piece. Looky there, looky there. Oh, here's the one you can kind of tell. See that? It's not runny, but it's a little congealed. That's the way I like my eggs. So that's going to be my breakfast, along with the apple. Did I tell y'all I had to call my sister? I'm like, I don't know what kind of apple to buy. And so I ended up getting one Red Delicious and one Fuji. So we're going to eat the Red Delicious this morning. I didn't salt and pepper it. I don't need it. Tastes good. So, okay. See you at lunch. Hey, it is Saturday. I'm doing a whole bunch of cooking. And you may have already seen the videos, or maybe they're upcoming. But I'm having onion rings and as part of my lunch today. There's other stuff too, but I just want to show you these because that's what I'm having for part of my lunch today on Saturday. Hey, for my lunch, I showed you the onion rings. Now I'm also going to have this fried chicken. Country fried chicken, whatever you want to call it. This is going to be my lunch today. Bye. Hey, it is Saturday, and I'm going to finish up with my supper. It's a real good thumbs up, but if they're not in this separate packaging, I'm going to give it a thumbs down. It's a real good broccoli and cheddar cheese stuffed chicken. So I'm going to microwave them. Place on microwave, safe plate. Okay, I'm about 2 minutes and 2 minutes because, you know, I got a bad microwave. So, I say bad, it's just a low watt. I don't mean bad. Yup, there we go again. 2-in-1 package. Thumbs down real good. Thumbs down. 2 of them is 520 calories. Total carbs is 3. Protein is 52. Fat is 31. So it's the broccoli and cheddar cheese. I just want to finish them up. So I'm going to maybe or not. Maybe I won't be finishing them up. Okay. Now I'm going to get these microwaved. We are going to also have a cabbage salad along with those chicken things. So I've got some tricolor cabbage that I picked up yesterday at the Walmart. I need a little clippy. Now. Come on, fella. Okay. Sometimes I think the dogs hear me say, come on, fella, and they think I'm talking to them. These are some of the frozen peppers that I pulled out to defrost. Just going to put a little bit on there. They're still mostly frozen. That's all right. I got some jicama. break those up a little bit. One more. For me. Okay. Then, ooh, that's cold. That's cold on my teeth first. Red onion. Boy, that is cold in my teeth. Holy Nelly. You know what? This is totally off camera. I am so sorry. That's what we have so far. Cabbage, peppers, onions, jicama. I apologize, y'all. I don't have my act together. I'm going to put in some of these sun-dried tomatoes. They kind of give it a good flavor and almost like a little bit of a twang too. I have to flip these over and microwave them again for 2 minutes. Back here, I don't know if you can see it, but today I did the ground beef meal prep, and after it was done, I pulled all the fat off the top of it, and I melted it all down to make it all nice and even. And so now I'm just letting it cool. I want it to be kind of thin. I'm letting it cool because I want it to be for, I'm going to cut it up in bite sizes for the dogs. So that will be, you know, like treats for the dogs. So that was cucumbers, and now some banana peppers. Then I'm going to put on some roasted red bell pepper strips. Just finish it off. I hate putting back a partial thing. That's only going to give me like 2 bites. I'm going to put in a few regular tomatoes. Still got my apple back here. I'll eat that sometime this week. We'll see. I already ate one. So now this is Skinny Girl Buttermilk Ranch. And then Skinny Girl Honey Dijon. I should have grabbed a Walden Farm, but I didn't. So this will be just fine. Alright, let me clean this up and then we'll get back to my other stuff that I was done. This is how it looks. It's like a Hot Pocket almost. So let's cut into one and see how it looks inside. Actually, I'm going to cut into 2 because I'm going to want in it later anyway. So, alright. That's the inside. It's very wet. Listen, I don't want to burn myself because it's going to be hot. So, we're just going to taste the inside of it and not get the outside. That's good. Let me try it this way. Yeah, no, I'm not. The inside was good, and I like it, so, all right, this is going to be good. So this is my supper, this, and a salad. Okay, bye.